Hello everyone. So here is the next question. Question number 140. Which one of the following elements is unable to form MF6 minus ion? Elements is unable to form MF6 minus ion. Option number first iron iridium. Option number second B boron. Option number third Al aluminium. Option number four Ga. So the correct option is option number second, boron. Boron is unable to form MF6 minus ion. This is because B3 plus has no vacant d orbitals. It has only on s and 3p orbitals in the valence shell. Hence, it can accept 4 electron pairs and can form Bf4 minus. Therefore, the option number second is correct. B is the element which is unable to form MF6 minus ion, as it has doesn't have the doesn't have the vacant d orbital. Okay, so here is the answer mentioned. Option number second, boron, B.